Tourist, easy prey. Hey you, hey! Selfie stick for self-defense. Is it a good idea? Keep watching to find out. The answer is definitely yes, because it will basically let you go anywhere with it. This is not considered a weapon, it's something anyone can wear on themselves, and you can go through the airport or to any restaurant, nothing. No one will be looking at you as, what is he carrying? It's just a selfie stick at the end of the day. Plus, it's still a weapon. It still gives you the reach, it is still something that's made out of steel, so the impact power will be bigger with your hands, let alone that you will be able to go everywhere with it. So for us, definitely a good choice. Why not? It is still a stick, so if by any chances you have our course when it comes to telescopic baton, your capability with fighting with this are going to be very big, because still it's a stick weapon. And maybe you saw something like an umbrella video that we did before, which is going to be very similar with the things that we are going to say today. But there's a big difference. This is not going to last as long as the umbrella. This we could say about maybe 1-2 hits, and it's just going to be completely bent over or broken completely. Which, like we said before, it doesn't matter, because we are talking about the selfie stick that I bought saved my life, because there was a guy with a knife and I hit him and it broke. Still good, even in the sense of I need to hit him 1, 2, 3 times and escape the situation. I don't need to hit him 50 times and kill him with a selfie stick. I need to hit him once to the face and escape the situation completely. So when it comes to it breaking very quickly, it doesn't matter. When it comes to actually hitting with the selfie stick, it should be somewhere here. As you can see now, quick strikes, powerful, representative of the telescopic baton. It probably is not the best idea to go full distance, because first of all it's going to break a lot more easier, and you can see the manipulation with the whole selfie stick is no longer the best, as you saw before. If we are talking ideal scenario, it will be somewhere that in between all the locks, it's somewhere right in the middle. So it's not fully closed, not fully open, but it's somewhere in the middle. In the final stage of hitting, the best should be somewhere here. Even better, somewhere in the third between the locks. Because now no longer it's just connected like this when you have it fully opened, but the locks are basically in between each other, which will increase the durability of the whole selfie stick when it comes to hitting. If you do understand reality, you probably know that it's not the best idea to just, in the heat of the moment, just start grabbing in and the guy will be just waiting for you. No, he'll probably step you 20 times before you just even started. But if we are talking about I have it already prepared, because I wear it in my trousers like that, because it's always ready, or all the way to I already have it in my hand and that's how I walk with it. So if something happens, you no longer have to set it up and it's right away ready to strike. Have it prepared is the answer. Of course, you can use the selfie stick a different way, and you can use the short end. Imagine you are a girl and you want to not just hit with your hand, you need something to make the impact power bigger. This can be used most effectively when it comes to some grabs. If we are talking about I am choking somewhere, it could be a good opener and then hitting with it. Of course, even if we are talking some bear hug, this is probably not the most realistic point, but if I grab to show you, you don't have to look for the crotch, you can just start hitting the leg, which with your hand wouldn't be to no use. With this, it actually hurts and creates the distance. Or all the way into combination of I started with the short one, and now I opened and I can continue using the longer reach of the selfie stick. When it comes to carrying the selfie stick, as you know from our courses and our telescopic baton videos, we would advise you to have it in your back pocket because it's not seen, you can draw it. But this is not the only option. We could be still talking about having it in your pocket, because basically you can just zip it there and you have it ready. All the way to I wanted to have in the front something like a pistol, and it's always ready there. Very easy to grab it. When we are talking about drawing, it will all depend on the dynamic of the situation. So is the situation not very dynamic, where I'm just speaking, talking to you, and you can get it ready to your hand and even open it? Or are we speaking about the situation where the hits have already started and you need to learn how to get to the selfie stick and start hitting with it? Or you need to differentiate between, is it even a good idea to go for it? Shouldn't I just try to fight it with the hands, created the distance, and now maybe go for the selfie stick? Which will depend on your training, if you can differentiate between all of those. All the way to, I am just threatening, you have it ready behind you, you start drawing it, and you slowly open the selfie stick. I have no idea that anything's there, and all of a sudden you use the element of surprise because I have no idea you can reach me, I have no idea you have something there, and I'm being hit because you are slowly opening it up to have the bigger reach that you want to. The better would be to have an umbrella, but if we are talking about spaces where probably it's not raining, or even something like a concert where they wouldn't let you in with umbrella, the selfie stick is not considered as a dangerous object. You can get anywhere to it, or even some bigger events. So selfie stick for us gets the pass. It's not the best option in the world, but if you don't have anything, even this can really save your life. Leave a comment what other weapons you want to see, and Peter can run it through some tests if it's actually useful or not. Like the video, subscribe to see even more weapons like this, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.